everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Milo. Today we're meeting a very special firefighter, one who might surprise you. In the bustling town of Sparkton lived a young girl named Lily. Like all the children in Sparkton, Lily dreamed of becoming a firefighter just like her dad, Captain Blaze. But Lily had a problem. She was very small, the smallest in her. She worried she wouldn't be strong enough to carry a heavy hose or climb a tall ladder. One sunny afternoon, the town fire alarm blared. Lily, playing outside, saw smoke billowing from a nearby bakery. Her heart pounded. "It's Mr. Muffin's bakery," she gasped. Mr. Muffin was her favourite baker, always giving her warm cookies after school. Lily knew she had to help, even if she was small. Ignoring her doubts, she raced towards the bakery. By the time she arrived, firefighters were already there, her dad leading the way. But there was a problem. The fire was in the back of the bakery, behind a locked door. The firefighters couldn't reach it with their big hoses. Just then Lily had an idea. "Dad," she shouted, "I can squeeze through the doggy door." The bakery had a small doggy door for Mr. Muffin's fluffy cat, Mittens. Captain Blaze hesitated for a moment, then seeing the determined look on Lily's face, nodded. "Be careful, Lily," he said, kneeling down. "There might be smoke inside." Lily took a deep breath and squeezed through the doggy door. It was dark and smoky inside, but she could hear the crackling of the fire. Following the sound, Lily found a small pot on the stove, flames licking at its sides. Remembering what she learned at school fire drills, Lily grabbed the lid from a nearby pot and placed it firmly on the burning one. It took all her strength, but she managed. The flames sputtered and died down. Moments later, Captain Blaze and the other firefighters burst through the door, worried about Lily. But when they saw the fire contained and Lily standing proudly next to the covered pot, they erupted in cheers. Lily, despite being small, had saved Mr. Muffin's bakery with her quick thinking and bravery. From that day on, Lily was known as the Littlest Firefighter. She learned that size doesn't matter when you have a big heart and a spark of courage. See, everyone can be a hero, no matter how small. Remember, even the littlest spark can make a big difference. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Until next time, keep on believing in yourself.